It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. And how you say it is about so much more than just words. And that's good news for anybody who needs to give formal or informal presentations using English as a foreign language. Hi, I'm Alan Robert, and I believe that there are techniques that you can use to transmit your ideas clearly in English without having to improve your grammar, your vocabulary, or your pronunciation. And that is exactly what I talk about in this course. The strategies I'll share with you are based on 20 years of experience as an English teacher, as a lecturer, and as a student of foreign languages myself. I will share common sense strategies and tools, and when you apply them, you'll immediately improve your level of communication. You will begin to connect with your audience like never before. You'll be easier to understand, and you will transmit confidence, even though you're using English as a foreign language. So, come join me on this journey into the world of communication skills and learn to give great presentations in English, even if your English isn't great.